I'm EastWest. In my world, 3D speaks louder than words. To bring you the most precise spatial audit, I've even cloned my own voice. This is where the unseen becomes visible. Your attic shouldn't be where memories go to die. It should be where your next big idea is born. To make this happen, I used a very specific set of pieces: a raised platform for the bed, a versatile sofa and tea table, a curtain divider, and built-in storage to fix the slopped ceiling. Each piece has a job not just in design, but in energy. Many of my clients come to me feeling stuck. They say their life feels heavy, their mind is cluttered, and the first place I ask to see is their attic. Look at this, the light in this room is actually beautiful. But despite all this natural light, the space still feels heavy, stuck, and impossible to use. Why? Because the light isn't the problem, the layout is. This is exactly what I call the spatial oppression effect. It's a hidden energy drain that clouds your focus and weighs down your mood. When the attic is filled with clutter and oppressed by a heavy slopped ceiling, it blocks fresh energy from flowing through your entire home. So how do we fix this? In my design consultations, I don't just start moving furniture, I evaluate every space through 3 specific lenses. First, energy flow. Where is energy entering? Where is it getting stuck? Second, vertical pressure. How does the ceiling height affect your feeling of being supported or oppressed? And third, zoning for function. How do we create clear boundaries between deep rest and active living without wasting a single inch? This attic was failing all 3, so here's the plan I designed. To fix the energy flow, I placed the sofa and tea table facing the best light and view. In a tight attic, you can't waste space on a dedicated desk that only does one thing, so this is what I call a flex zone. It's where you read, brainstorm, or just enjoy a quiet moment. Energetically, it's a space for clarity and creativity without the heavy, isolated feeling of a corner desk. To solve the vertical pressure from the slopped ceiling, I applied a stability protocol. We build a wooden platform to raise the bed. This creates a protected, grounded space, so the ceiling feels less oppressive. And for the functional zoning, the real star is this curtain divider. It's not just fabric, it's a buffer zone. It creates a psychological and energetic transition between the active flex zone and the quiet rest area. Pull it closed, and the bed becomes a private, protected cocoon. And of course, the skylight floods the whole space with natural energy, and the built-in storage replaces the old clutter with grounded, intentional order. We're not just clearing away old boxes, we're making room for new opportunities. At EastWest, I don't just design rooms, I translate old wisdom into spaces that actually work for your modern life. The wood is warm, the light is soft, and now the slopped ceiling feels like a gentle embrace. This attic is no longer a forgotten storage unit, it's a place where you can rest, create, and dream all in one space. Every attic has the potential to become the most inspiring room in your home. If you're not ready for a full custom plan yet, I've put together a free Feng Shui guide to help you get started. It's linked in my bio, and if you want a plan truly tailored to your space, you know where to find me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next.